Hello! I am proud to present to you the DEFLEX Comfort Women's Caroline String Tie Flat. So these are flats for women. I am a size 9 women's. I have very big feet, I know. And they are black. They're made of a synthetic material. They look like leather though, which is nice. And there's a memory foam inside, so it may not look like they have a lot of support, but their comfort level is extraordinary and they just feel so good on your feet. And it basically has a stretchy topping here, so your foot kind of just stretches into it. And the sole is very solid and it is black. And right here, as you can see, it's a little dirty because I've been walking in them, but I love them. And as decoration, you know, just to make it more snazzy, there is a small bow here and then this silver charm attached to it. And the bow is pretty attached. It's not like it's more for decoration. It doesn't really have an impact on how the shoe fits or anything like that. And they claim to have a 2-layer insole. It really adapts to your feet because of the memory foam and the stretchiness, and it is just so comfortable. I bought this years ago, actually. Not this one, but here's the story. I bought it years ago, and then ever since I've been replacing the same shoe with this shoe. Why? Because I love them so much. About every 6 to 8 months I replace them, but you have to remember I walk so much. I walk hours and miles a day, and I walk in these shoes, so they get worn out after 8 months. And if you ask me, that's a pretty long time. So after that amount of time, I usually go right back and I get the same ones over and over again because I know what I like. My feet are difficult. Shoe shopping is difficult, and some of you may relate to me, but I have these feet that my heels are thinner, so the average flat just doesn't stay on them. But this grips to them, and it's really nice. It never gives me blisters. I can stand in them for hours, and the latex foam is just really fun and really nice and really comfortable. I really needed something that clung to those heels, and everything else always seems like too big or too small. So I wanted something I could casually wear, or even semi-casual, or even formal. Basically, this functions for any look, which I love. I don't have to buy separate shoes for different outfits. This works with dresses and skirts, but it also works with pants and business suits, and it just works really nice with a lot of different types of, you know, outfits and looks. So I love that they're multifunctional in that way. And I'm very tall, so heels can be kind of problematic, and having nice flats is just really important, really essential. I also don't paint my toenails very often. Call me lazy. So closed-toed shoes are really great. They're lightweight and I can carry them in a bag. I can even fold them if I need to. That way, if I have to fit them in a bag or something, or for a change in shoes, I can do that. So that's really nice. And they don't slip. The soles are really great. They just, you know, they have good grips on them. And I actually bought these ones 2 weeks ago to replace my old ones. So as you can see, they're still in pretty nice condition. It's great for the airport when you travel with. They don't buzz under the security, and There's no squeaky noise when you walk. That's pretty obnoxious when you're trying to go walk around the library. And there's a very simple like slip-on design. All you do is stick your foot in there and you're on. And it does come in different colors. They have like tan, silver, watermelon, wine velvet, and more. So these are them on my feet here, and as you can see, they slip on really nicely, and you just stretch it and it goes back on. So they conform to my feet, and they just look really nice overall. And I know this is a terrible angle, but there you go. And yeah, DEFLEX Comfort provides many different types of footwear, and not just, you know, flats, but they have heels and wedges and more. So I would definitely give them a check out, and thanks so much for watching.